my god, you guys, look at my setup. It's literally, this is my setup right now. Literally my mama noodles, my book, this, and my Tiffany's box. Yes, bougie, I know. We are going to do a video on how to cover my Zuko scar. And my friend Jennifer called me Zuko, and this happened because
I fell off my bike and I hit my head, and then there were scratches here, but when I covered it in Neosporin, the scratches eventually went away, but then the Neosporin gave me a rash, and it's been so itchy since. But I need to get ready for something tonight, and so I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to attempt to cover this, and it's super itchy, and I really hope I don't irritate myself even more, but here we go.
Okay, I just washed my face. Do I look different? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Oh my god, you can see my fingerprints on it. First thing you always want to do is moisturize, and I got this cute little Drunk Elephant serum. Each pump is like just like enough for one section of your face. Just because it's so dry today, I really want to cover everything up. Usually what I use is the BELIF Witch Hazel. It's so good for dry skin. It's like almost like an essence. They say you need to like pat it on, but I always just rub or put some on this patch too. And I have a lot of pigmentation right now. It's finals week, so I'm getting acne everywhere. Oh, don't forget your lips. You always want to prime your lips first. Oh, and dude, I got this from Pressed Juice. It's so good. I got this from Pressed Juice too, the Valentine's Day gram. This was valued at $30 and this was valued at $8. Why would a customer choose this over this? I really don't like cream ones because I think it would be like too thick, but this one is just super good and moisturizing. Need to be gentle. And we are done with moisturizing part. The first thing I always do are my brows. I also need to wet my beauty blender. They say like, oh, name an extreme sport, getting out of your chair to do the beauty. You know what I wonder? What side of Zuko's face his scar is on, because maybe I am his twin. First, we're gonna use the ANASTASIA Dip Brow in medium brown. I always forget to wipe this off and it comes off in pictures. I actually waxed my brows recently by myself and they don't look too bad. Okay, you know what? It is a little dark right now, but we're gonna blend it out. And if it's dark, it'll distract away from this. Things I do during finals week. Oh my god. And usually I will carve my brows, but since we're in a rush and I've done them recently, I just try to be super careful when I fill in my brows so then I can save an extra step. But honestly, carving the brows makes such a big difference. Brows are sisters, not twins. And then for eye makeup, we're gonna keep it really simple. I'm also doing this super fast right now, but it's okay because it's not like a glam video. It's just a, will Vivi be able to cover this video? And I used to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, but that ran out. Like I used it, I cut it and used it because it worked that well. But now I'm just using Shape Tape. Put some on. And you can use your fingers or you can take a brush out. I'll take a brush, I guess, but for the video. But usually I don't like cleaning my brushes, so I want to spare what brushes I don't need to use. In a way, I sort of carve out my eyebrows with this, or like just highlight the under part with some concealer, because it's sort of weird when your whole face is caked but then that little brow bone under is bare skin. My cut from when I fell, it goes all the way into like my corner here too, so I hope that's okay, you know. This has aloe, so it's basically like it's gonna heal my rash. Holy grail, holy grail. I went to tempera, just this, it's like I've hit it to like pan. Just set like under your brows too. So then you have a base to work with. We're gonna go in burnt orange. I'm gonna do super light tonight because we're in a rush. And eyeshadow is not my strong suit. And then we're gonna get deeper orange and then try to put it in like the corners. Ah, it's irritating the thing. Okay, we're gonna stop soon because that was irritating. It's not really blended that well, but it's okay because it's getting itchy. Go in with this color. And I just put some here, and yeah, there's your 3-step eyeshadow. I always use the Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. It works really, really well. Big lashes. Yeah. know, maybe a baby wing since I just messed up. Okay, so I finished my liner and I did it really quick because
honestly, no one even notices a liner. I used to spend so much time like fixing things, but if they don't match, it's fine because my lashes are gonna cover most of it and it's dark. No one cares. And it's like, very rarely are they gonna look at you head on and compare, like they're either gonna see it this way or this way. So as long as they look good individually, you know, as long as one of them's not too messed up, then it's okay. This is such a bad makeup tutorial because it's just like, yeah, just do what gets you by.
I'm going to curl my non-existent eyelashes. And my lashes are already black and they're pretty short, so you can't really tell the difference. So I don't put mascara because I don't want raccoon eyes at the end of the night. And I don't think it's necessary when I have such like voluptuous lashes. I'm using these from ESQUIDO. They're $30 because one of my best friends convinced me to buy them. But usually I wear like Ardell Wispies and that's like, you get a pack of 5 for a really good deal. Honestly, I love duo glue. It sticks really well. It just takes forever to dry. And so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So I do this so that I can wait for it later and then put on the lashes. Oh my God, I don't have tweezers. It's fine. We're gonna do it with our hands today. This is my go-to foundation right now. Oh, primer. This works wonders. It covers all your pores. I'm gonna put it in my T-zone area. So the lashes are on now. I'm gonna put on the foundation. Here we go, guys. Wow, I'm shook. I did not expect it to cover that well. Oh my God, this covered so well. Wow, so that worked. And then the neck, so you blend in. It's a little bit pink. So I'm gonna take this green Makeup Pro Concealer in green because green would cancel out some of the pink red. We're gonna actually use my brush. You know, the best way to get over like a rash or breakout is to put more stuff on it. Concealer, but we're gonna put a little more on this. Shape Tape really covers everything though. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more concealer. It's like when you go to festivals and there's like the glitter patch over here. I've definitely done that. This is not the glitter patch I wanna have. It's counterintuitive because you really want to blend it in, so you like try to press a little harder. Because if it's a beauty blender, it like soaks up more. It's almost like you will take back more product than you put down. It's a little pale, but then we're gonna cover that up with some bronzer. Is the BECCA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Everyone talked about the cool sensation that it gives, and it's so true. It feels so good. We're not gonna bake tonight because it's dark and yeah, it's dark. We just need to focus on making sure the patch is okay. I feel like Kim K, how she always talks about her psoriasis. Then we're gonna contour with Hoola. This one I hit pan too. It actually broke in there too. Shrink the forehead, you know. Blend. Oh my God, this. Gently, everyone, gently. Oh my God, okay. Get back the one that I set with and blend it out. When I'm baking, I will bake after I contour, so then I get chisel the cheeks and everything. I like to put brow gel on top of my brows because it's almost like it gives back that color because all the powder went on it, so then my brows look a little like washed out. And then we're gonna put blush, the Tarte in Party, and there's AAA in the middle, like the insurance company. This is not supposed to be meant for blush. I don't know what it's meant for. I think it's for foundation, but I never like these for foundation because it's just so streaky. Smile. Oh, I guess I don't really. Okay, just the apples here because it is like a little pink. Do highlight, so exciting. And I'm using the BECCA in Opal. And I'm trying not to put too much because it might show the texture. And then this is my most favorite setting spray. It keeps it in and it melts everything together. And it's almost out from Morphe. Oh my God, it's out. It's like out. It's had its run. And then for lips, I'm gonna wipe off some of the foundation. You can see some of my lips. And I'm gonna use the Glossier Leo because I don't want that much lip color today. And this just gives you some color to put on top of it. So this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Yes, I'm blonde. You couldn't really tell because I had my ponytail in. I hope you enjoyed watching this mess of a makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, 25 subscriber giveaway if you guess which cheek it's really on. Just kidding, I have 26 subscribers.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, stop.
This is our friend Michael.
Okay, bye.